Yeah, yeah. The world is so small till it ain't. Yeah.
We're going to Yoshimitsu for dinner and ang daming tao. Even though it's already 1 hour till cutoff. Pang 5 pa kami. Ang dami. We're gonna go to Burnham after we eat Yoshimitsu. Up at SM but it's closed na. Anong oras na ba? 8 na. Hindi pa kami kumakain. Close na yung SM ng 9. Magagalit na si Nori kasi nandito din sila. So cold. Already 8:30. We got here mga 7:30. Mga 1 hour din kami nag-wait. Sobrang lamig. It's the coldest I've ever felt in Baguio. Dahil ang sakit niya sa katawan even when nasa house lang kami, nakakumot na kami. It's so sakit sa skin. There's a graduation, so ang daming tao. Usually, pag kumakain kami ng ganitong time, really there's nobody anymore. This is my top 1 na samgyup na. Dito, merong mga chicken skin, chicken, tempura, drinks, free ice cream. May scallops pala sa Romantic Baboy and mas gusto ko yung scallops nila. But there's no drinks, there's no chicken skin. And also this is pet friendly indoors, which is very rare. I remember nag-make kami ng video nito like 1 year ago or 2 years ago. And we said, this doesn't compare. Samgyup Salamat, our number 1 before. Next week, nag-open yung Sumoniko in Baguio. Sabi ni Mikay, mas masarap yung Yoshimitsu. But maybe, knowing us, we're still gonna try it. Depends on the budgeting and everything. Refreshing. Nakakawala ng umay. Ang fresh kasi niya. Kinain ka po third kayo.
Hindi ka yung first round, halos sa akin yung makapal. Yung mga skewers. Ako na po order na kasi ng order ng gano'n.
Spicy beef. Dami ko palang na-order. Matagal kasi yung service. So, nakakalimutan ko yung mga in-order ko. Tapos pag dumating ang dami. But it's okay. We can do this.
This is my favorite.
Flavor.
Melon.
We survived! We're just gonna go to Burnham and papawalk namin yung dogs kahit late na, kahit sobrang lamig. Kawawa naman sila. Tulog lang sila dito. Ang tagal nila naghintay. We told them mag-SM sila but then close na yung SM so mag-walk na lang sila sa Burnham. So cold. So di ko alam if manginginig si Loki kasi laging nanginginig si Loki. We'll just see you when we're there in Burnham na. We're here in Burnham. Anyway, yung dogs. It's their first time walk in Burnham. Si Loki lang hindi first time, pero ang tagal na din yung last time niya. Also, fit check. Super lamig, so kinlose ko na lang yung jacket ko. Dati guys, I didn't even bring a jacket. As in, if sleeveless ako, I'm gonna be sleeveless wherever. Kahit nasa SM, kahit nasa Burnham. Jacket has to be closed. I never close my jacket. It's just so cold.
Babae po.
Dapat hanapin ko siya. Lapit lang.
Bye, guys.
We're going home. Nakakapagod ng dami. I'll just end this
Unboxing
here.
ka pa.
Ay, may unboxing pa pala ako. Okay, I'll just unbox the Petron gift boxes at home. We're home. And sana walang echo, I will unbox our Patreon gift boxes that we won from the raffle, their Christmas raffle. We have 2 boxes. So, this first box first. And ang ganda ng quality ng box. Nabuksan ko na sila kanina in Patreon because it's required na parang i-check if everything's working. So, pag in-open, ganyan siya. Ito yung mga laman ng first box. So, we have an umbrella. Huwag na natin buksan kasi mahirap siya ibalik. Maganda siya. Yun nga lang, hindi siya madali ilagay sa bag kasi ang laki niya. But para siyang high quality talaga. We have this anti-theft bag. Baka bigay ko na lang kay Dad because this is not my style. Meron tayong tools. I know this brand is a good brand. This is the only tool brand I know. We got some tools. Last in this box, we have a flashlight. Bubuksan ko. Huwag ko na buksan. Basta yan yung itsura niya. Next box. So, this next box, andito yung mga high-ticket items. So, another box. So, here are the main items. Xiaomi vacuum cleaner. Much needed. Kasi ang daming hair ni Nori sa car. And then we also have Xiaomi electric air compressor. Ang air yata ng mga gulong. Lastly, Jisoo Life. My first ever Jisoo Life in my life. Probably the only Jisoo Life I'll ever own. So let's just open this because this is the one that I actually know how to use. Okay, that's it. Jisoo Life. And it says this one. Yung tagline nila. But yeah, that's all. That's everything in the gift box. Nalila namin from the raffle. Just because nagpagas kami. I guess that's all. I'll just clean up now and then good night.